Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. And today we are going to learn about the correction of the sentences. Okay, correction of the errors. This unit contains the whole grammar. It shows, actually this correction of the errors shows your knowledge towards the grammar because it includes tenses, articles, degrees of comparison, question tag, what not, everything. So the whole grammar is covered in this correction of the errors. So let us see to the examples. The first one is, we go to college by walk. We go to college by walk. Actually we say by bus, by car, by plane, by auto, by rickshaw. But we won't say by walk. We say on foot. By walk is wrong, but we say on foot. It is right. We won't say by walk. We say by walk, by rickshaw, by bus, by train, etc. But not by walk. We say on foot. The next is, she is my cousin sister. Actually, she itself shows the gender, so no need of this sister. She is my cousin, that's all. Or he is my cousin, that's all. She shows male or female. She shows male or female. He shows male or female cousin. So no need of writing sister or brother. She is my cousin, that's all. Not cousin sister or cousin brother. Okay? She is my cousin. He is my cousin, that's all. Next is, both my sister-in-laws are doctors. Both my sister-in-laws are doctors. According to law, she is a sister. They are sisters. Mother-in-law, sister-in-law, brother-in-law. According to law, they are sisters, brothers and mother-in-law. According to mother-in-law means, according to law, she is a mother. And here, both my sister-in-laws, not laws, it is wrong. Law is one, but sisters. Both my sisters-in-law are doctors. Yes. Both my sisters, not laws. No plural in laws, but sisters, brothers, mothers. Here we can write the plural, but not the laws. Law is one. Okay. Both my sisters-in-law are doctors. Next is, my mother is reading newspaper daily. Actually, daily. We use this kind of adverb, whether it may be daily, regularly, often, every day, every Sunday, every Monday, occasionally, seldom, rarely, always, every year, every month. All these are used in simple present tense. All these are the hints for simple present tense. So as it is daily, it is not used as is reading. Is reading is used in present continuous. But as mother, my mother is reading newspapers daily, as it is showing daily, the action is habitual action. So it is not it is reading, it is my mother reads. My mother, third person singular, so S is added. My mother reads newspapers daily. Daily, regularly, every day, every year, every month, seldom, often, occasionally. All these are the adverbs which are used in simple present tense. Next is, he works hard. He works hard. Do he? Is it? This is a question tag. Is it right? He works hard. Actually, the subject is he. This is V1. So when V1 with third person singular, so we won't use do. We use does. And when the statement is in positive, he works hard. It is not, he does not work hard. Here as it is a positive, the statement should be negative. So it is not right, not do, doesn't. Doesn't he? Doesn't he? If it is negative, it will be positive. If the statement is positive, it will be negative, and if the statement will be negative, it will be positive. And if it is instead of he, if it is he, she, it, or any name, it takes V1 and it takes doesn't he. But if there is I, we, you, they, or any plural, it takes only work, and it takes I, we, you, or any plural. It takes do. Okay, it takes do. But all the third person singular, he, she, it, or any singular name, it takes does in a question tag. And when the statement is in positive, the tag will be negative, and when the statement is in negative, the tag will be in positive. So this is the way. Next, they came yesterday. Doesn't they? They came yesterday, doesn't they? Actually, this is V2. For V2, does is not right. Didn't. Didn't they is right. Didn't they? If it is they, if it is a third person singular or any plural, it takes didn't in the past tense. When the verb is in V2, all the past tense will take did. If it is positive, this will be negative. If it is negative statement, then the tag will be positive tag. Then, one of my friends are in Russia. One of my friends, one among many friends. Here we are talking about only one of my friends. One of my friends are in Russia. See, if it is one of, whether it may be one of, or either, or neither, or many, or everyone. Everyone of. But with these, one of, neither of, either of, we should take plural noun, but the verb should be singular verb. This is right and this is wrong. Because this is counted, not this. One of many friends is. Okay? Each one, many one, every one of, like that way. One of. So the verb should be in singular form. Now next is each of these boys. Each of these boys, plural. Okay? As I told you, one of, either of, neither of, many of, each of, all will take the singular verb. Singular verb. But here as it has shown each of these boys, here it has shown the male. So, as it is male, it is not there, it is his. Because each is counted. Each has done his homework. If it is girls, her homework. Because each of these girls, if it is girls, each of these girls has done her homework. As it is boys, it took his. Okay? Then next. Either Ravi or Raju have done this. Yes, now we have used here either or. So either or. When we use either or neither. Neither nor. Or otherwise or, sometimes or nor, separately or nor. So when we use this either or, neither nor in a sentence, or sometimes single or single nor, we use single verb, not have, it is has. Because either Ravi or Raju, anyone, he or he, anyone. So we are talking about anyone, either Ravi or Raju, that's right. Here the verb takes singular verb. And the next is the two brothers love one another. Yes, here we are talking about two brothers, not more than two. So if we are talking about two, comparison between two, we won't use this one another. We use each. Each other. Each other is used between two, and one another is used when more than two. Okay? It is used with more than two. And the two brothers love each other because each other is used among between two. Okay? One another is used when we talk about more than two, and each other is used when we talk about two persons, between two persons. So hope you understood. Please practice more and more. Please watch my video. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe.